Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my Encourager Layout Social Media Happy Planner, and I am going to be using flowers from the new flower sticker books, or sticker book. If you guys know me, you know I can't resist a good flower. And then I'm going to use some coordinating stickers from the Womankind sticker book. So we are planning for the week of December 23rd through the 29th. So this will be the last week that I have to redate this planner. Thank the Lord. Alright, so it is a 2020 planner, so I did white out and redate my dates up at the top, and I went ahead and pre-chose some stickers. So look at these florals. I love these colors with the navy blue behind there. It's just, I love the way that they go good together. So I had to find my coordinating boxes from the Womankind sticker book. So what I thought I would do for this layout, because these are paper flowers, I am going to, and I've seen, I think according to Allie, Heather Kell, lots of Instagram and YouTube planner babes have done this before. So this will be my first time attempting it, but I thought that I would lay the flowers up the spine of this layout. So let's just see how this turns out. I'm just gonna have to kind of play here. I kind of don't want that sticking all the way out there, but I'm just gonna lay it down and not press it all the way until I see what I want to do here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to come all the way to the top up here. So we're going to move this one. I'm going to pull it up some, and then I will take some of, I think I'll take some of these like little daisies, I guess that's what these are, and just cover in the middle where it doesn't cover up the pink. Okay, so let's open up this and see what else I can find. So there's only 2 pages of these, and they're in the very back of this sticker book. But I did order 2 of these sticker books, so I won't run out by using all these this time. And so when I'm done with this, I'm going to have to repunch it. I'll show you guys how to do all that here shortly. So let's just find some more of these flowers to fill in over here. I think this one will go good here, and then maybe one more. I'm running out of options, so I'll put that one there. So I think this is going to be so pretty down the spine of these pages. Okay, so now my pages are stuck together. But let's go ahead and start laying some of these other stickers before I cut my pages or cut these stickers. So these blue coordinating stickers came from the Womankind collection. I just happened to remember where these navy blue stickers were. And I've kind of used most of them because I did like I think I did a light pink and navy blue spread. So I don't have a whole lot to put into this spread of this navy color, so I did have to pull some of the pink in from the Womankind, but that's okay. So I thought it would be pretty to take this pink important sticker, which is just a little banner, and cover up where that said, I think it said to do or today. I think it said today. And then let's pull in these daisies, and we're just going to kind of put them there in between Monday and Tuesday. And I thought it would be kind of cute to come off of those with some of these colorful boxes. So we'll see how this experimental spread turns out. And get that lined up there, and then we'll just kind of come off of this here. So I think that's cute. I think that's totally crooked there. Okay, and for my middle box here, I'm going to take this pink colorful box and just put it there, crooked again, Okay, and then I thought it would be cute to kind of go around these boxes with some more flowers to just kind of fill in. So I think I'm going to take these little ones here and maybe just kind of go around this box. I think I'm going to go under that pink box. I kind of like the look of the flowers being tucked under. So yeah, that's very cute there. And this one, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side of this pink box. Sorry if this is in the way here. So we're going to tuck this down here. Not enough. Let me tuck that a little bit more. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay, so that is very, very cute there. And then I thought it would be cute to maybe cut the edge right off of this sticker and just have that going out. So let me grab my X-Acto and cut that edge off. I don't know why I keep grabbing this little orange one. I don't really like it, but and I have no idea if this is going to turn out straight or not. Y'all know my cutting skills are not very good. Look at that. Oh wow. Alright, so let's reposition this and try to hide this lovely cut job we got going on. I should have just cut that sticker to begin with and then laid it down. Okay, hindsight is 20/20, right? Okay, so I think that is very, very cute. So now let's move on to the second part of the week. And see, I did find this little flower here, this little one by itself, but I'm not sure where I'd use that, so we'll just hold off on that one. And then Saturdays are my new filming day. Even though today is Friday, I have a lot going on for tomorrow. So we have 2 Christmas parties at church, so there's no way that I would get my filming and stuff done tomorrow. But I'm going to leave my to-dos on Saturdays because hopefully once the holidays are over, I'll be back on my planned Saturdays. So I like the to-do list there. And then I'm going to kind of just do like the same thing, like a little decor here, here, and here. So I'm going to put my pink box in the middle again. And we're just going to put it here on Friday. And then I think I'm going to take, I'll take this and just put it here between Friday and Saturday. And then I'm just going to come off of it with a couple of these boxes. Kind of just like I did on the other side. That's crooked. It's hard to do this left-handed. I am not left-handed. Alright. So let me fix this top one. So I hope you guys have a very merry and happy holiday, Christmas, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. I hope y'all stay safe. I hope that you are surrounded by family and friends and can just enjoy this time of year. And let us not forget the reason for this season, the birth of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. So without him, I would not be good. And to my friends who are not believers, I do apologize. I don't mean to offend anyone, but that is my faith and that's who I am. So I just pray everyone stays safe and enjoys the holidays. So I'm going to try to come in under this box with another kind of flower, and I think this is going to throw me off because my flowers are not going to be the same on both sides, so I may have to work on that. So let's see, I do have this same kind of flower over here on Monday, so I think it'll look okay to put that one there. And then I say that I don't have the same flowers. It's not going to be the same exact look because I did put these yellow ones here, but I have the yellow down here at the bottom, so maybe it won't be too bad. And I need somewhere else to put this last little flower. Maybe, I need to put it somewhere. I just need to put it somewhere. So let's see, I think it'll look silly there. Maybe I'll just put it up under the corner here on this things to do box. So yeah, but I feel like this looks silly. I feel like both of these look silly because of the stems that are hanging out. So I'm gonna have to just do something here. I think I'm just gonna tuck these little stems in and just try to hide them because I think they look goofy. That's just me, but let's see if we can just kind of get rid of that. Yeah, now I can see it behind there, so I may just go ahead and cut that off. And then let's try to do the same over here. All these paper stickers, I hope I don't rip something. Okay, so yeah, I feel like that looks a little better there, but I do want to cut around here. So let me go ahead and do that, just because you can really see the little stems hanging out. And I'm going to use my other X-Acto knife. Maybe I can cut a little better. Okay, that's a little better. Not perfect, but it's okay. So I've been wearing my Happy Planner little bracelets, and I really like them. It's just taking a little bit for me to get used to something dangling off of my wrist here, but I think they're very cute and they're very good reminders. I got one for faith and one for wellness, and then I'm going to have a video coming up here shortly of my new budget haul. So if you guys haven't seen their new budget planners, they are awesome. Like, I have never been excited about a budget anything, but these new budget planners are, they're just awesome. They're so functional. So I'll also have another another bracelet from the budget companion too. I'm totally butchering this. Okay. Alright, so yeah, that looks much better to me. Okay, so now all I need to do is cut off my edges here and cut down my center and repunch. So let's go ahead and do that. I think this is going to turn out to be a really cute spread. So I think I'm going to cut down the center first and then cut off my edges. So this is probably not going to be perfect either, but it'll do. Okay, and then let's cut off the little edges here, and I'm going to repunch. I am so glad I'm not going to have to redate anymore. I will have to date the budget planner, but only the monthly section, because their planners that were just released are all undated. So that, I don't think one planner is going to bug me as much as I've been redating 3 planners. So look how cute that is, y'all. I love this. I love this look. I wish I'd have tried this sooner. So let me grab my punch over here, and let's see if I can't punch the same holes that were in it originally. We're gonna try. Oh yeah, I'm gonna love this. So I didn't want to do this spread in Christmas since I've got 2 other ones done in Christmas. I just wanted to be a little different, and I had the new flower sticker book, so I definitely wanted to use it. Okay, so let's see what this looks like in my planner. I'm actually excited to use this one, but I've still got all of next week to go before I can use this spread. But we are going to have a floral Merry Christmas in social media world during this week. But I love this. I think this turned out really pretty. So hopefully you guys do too. And if you do, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell so you don't miss any notifications when I upload. And this sticker's crooked. So hopefully I just fixed that. Okay, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.